Good evening, Dr. Sanders. So this is my individual progress update for Sprint 3 and Sprint 4. Um, let's go through a breakdown of the labor for the sprint. Uh, First of all, I was able to finish general app UI UX colors for Sprint 4. So I worked on because as you remember last time it was just like the normal blue, but this time I was able to go into the app and adjusted so it looks CBU colors and CBU fonts. And then also appended the latest FAQ items onto our database and the links, the latest ones. And then also improved the FAQ page, which I had been working on. And then I structured the FAQ page code to abide by accessibility guidelines. Um, so let us look at these new features. There's not a lot on the app side. It's just, oh, wait, why does it look like that? Why is it not popping up? Oh, there we go. Um, so this is the new page, the page that you walk into. Um, as you can see, it's white, and then we made the header like the CB navy blue, and then this has always been the same gold, which is fine. And then if you go into the FAQ page, it also shows the same, and then the text is navy blue, as well as here the things are navy blue, just so that the UI is better. And then as you can see, almost all of them, actually, I think all of them like have links to the articles that they're supposed to go to. And yeah. So that was the main work. In terms of the database populating our database, this thing is annoying. Uh, let's go to that. Um, so here, it was just solutions that was worked by Caleb. So I got most of the content links here, and for our four frequently asked questions, that's where I got the links from. So that one, and that one. We still don't have this Wi-Fi slow one because apparently it is frequently asked, but they don't have an article on it. And we updated this one with the password, like the new Lance Nation password instead of the old. Um, I forgot what password it was, but yeah. Um, yes, and let's go to what else was I supposed to show? So that was the database, and then the general UI UX. Now let's go to a GitHub. Oh, um, that's the app. Um, so here's what's changed. I introduced this new constant color, and when I created this, instead of just primary swatch, I added the create material color, which is, and then an app bar, which is the one at the top, and then the theme made the background navy blue, and then foreground color, which is like the text and everything. And then the color scheme is the seed color and the primary color, which is technically the same thing, is all navy blue. That's CBU navy blue. And then we added this to this method called create material color, which is used at the bottom. Actually, no, it's used here in the primary swatch, create material color. So here we we initialize the list called strengths and then all those numbers. And then we also initialized a map called swatch, which holds the int and then the color. And we introduced three final integers, so red, green, and blue. And so through this list, we were able to create this the material color called CBU navy blue. We were able to create that color using the hex code. So it was R plus what that minus DS dot round. So it's rounded off, and then we return colored value and then the swatch, which is um in this case we returned CBU navy, and so yeah. Then we also add switch constant, the draw header, change it that to that, and then we put the box decoration as a constant, and we made all the colors CBU and navy blue. And then yeah, as you can see, it's the same thing. Most of that was just changing that. And then for my second commit, it was mainly the same thing, but on the FAQ page, just switching up the texts and then making sure the font is navy blue and bold, and yeah, just adding that aspect now that we have it. And yeah, so for my next, I don't know if I'm supposed to talk about for this final sprint for before it ends on Monday. I'm supposed to finish the other pages as well, and then work on this feedback page. Um, See how you rate here, and then we'll see how to work out this rating to be sent to um, a rating page, and then we'll work more on the game. That's how it still looks right now, but that's getting worked on by everyone else. And also this, so I'll just fix the UI and UX of everything. And yeah, before Sunday. Um, yeah, I already did new code highlights. And yeah, that was mainly the work I was able to do. Yeah, took me around 900 minutes because I hadn't known how to create this method. Mainly was learning how to do this create material color, and because most of the colors that are given to us by Flutter are just the basic blue, sky blue, basic red, and I wanted specific CB color, so it took me a while to learn this, and yeah, but that was the main thing. Um, yeah, thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your evening.